We begin at 5 with a deadly accident at a Boston construction site. 2 workers were killed. Relatives say the men fell 20 feet into a hole after a truck backed into them. Emergency crews rushed to the accident scene but quickly realized there was nothing they could do. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Lisa Hughes.
And I'm David Wade. The city has now shut down, at least for now, the construction company's other project in Boston. Emergency responders say they were originally called to 190 High Street in Boston for reports of multiple people hit. And when they arrived on scene, they found Jordan Romero and 32-year-old Carlos Gutierrez unresponsive at the bottom of the hole. WBZ's Mike LaCrosse is live in Boston tonight with more on the investigation. Mike?
David, the accident happened just a block away from the Rose Kennedy Greenway. You can see High Street remains closed tonight. We spoke with a witness who was just outside of his building at the time of this morning's accident.
It was pretty gruesome, pretty tragic.
Jared Pietrozella witnessed this morning's deadly construction accident in the middle of High Street in Boston's financial district. He called 911 after seeing 2 workers get hit by a dump truck.
I heard the truck turn on and with a high rev and kicked into gear and hit both the gentlemen that were standing right over the hole.
2 victims in a hole about 6 feet deep under a dump truck here.
Boston Police, Fire, and EMS all responded to the scene just after 8 a.m.
On arrival, we immediately upgraded to a tech rescue confined space operation.
First responders say they had to make sure the hole in the road was secure before they could enter.
At that point, it was determined that it was we were going to shift from rescue into a recovery mode.
Boston police say the 2 men were pronounced dead on scene.
And it's just a really sad incident on what started out as a beautiful day today.
And that's the truck scene.
BPD, OSHA, and the Suffolk County District Attorney's Office are all investigating.
Right now, we don't know if this is a crime. We know that it's a tragedy, and my office is here making sure these families know that we take this very seriously.
And the mayor's office says the company that's being investigated, Atlantic Coast Utilities, is suspended from doing any other work in the city until further notice. Reporting live in Boston, I'm Mike LaCrosse, WBZ News.
Mike, thank you.